I never thought I'd try waxing myself, especially not a Brazilian. But here we are. This is exactly how it went, what I used, what surprised me, and how you can do it better at home. The Amazon Wax Kit, arriving. Compact, neat packaging with instructions. Kit includes hard wax beads, heater, spatulas, and soothing oil. Affordable compared to salon visits. Arrived within 3 days shipping to Toronto. Why I chose to wax at home. Salon costs in cities like New York or London can be 70 plus. Privacy, comfort, and control at home. Curious if I could do it myself. The freedom to take breaks if needed. Wax Prep 101. Washed and exfoliated my underarms and bikini area. Avoided lotion or oils beforehand. Trimmed hair to a 1/4 inch. Laid down towels and wore loose clothing. Melting wax took 8-10 minutes to melt on medium heat. Stirred until honey-like consistency. Check temperature on wrist. Smelled a bit like pine, nothing harsh. Testing the texture. Wax should stick without running. Easy to apply with a spatula. Cooled fast, but still flexible. Underarm first at safer zone. Applied in hair growth direction. Waited 30 seconds until firm. Hold opposite direction quickly. First strip. Stung a bit, but manageable. Reactions and results. One side smoother than I expected. Mild redness that faded in 10 minutes. No cuts or nicks, like shaving. Boosting courage for the Brazilian. Took deep breaths. Split the area into small sections. Applied wax slowly. Didn't brush at home. First strip shock and it hurt. Not down a line, but it worked. Hair free in one go. Said a few words I won't repeat. Middle section challenge. Skin here is more sensitive. Hold slower. Mistake. Realized quick pulls hurt less. Used mirror for guidance. Missed spot strategy. Tweezed leftover hairs gently. Avoided overwaxing same area. Dabbed aloe vera for relief. Noticed some unevenness, but acceptable. Post-wax glow-up. Skin felt surprisingly smooth. Redness went away by bedtime. Wore cotton underwear. What? I wish I knew before. Hold tight on the skin. Test temperature every time. Small patches are better. Your first time won't be perfect. City life convenience. In Berlin or Sydney, salons are booked weeks ahead. DIY saved me time and stress. No commuting. No awkward convo. Played my music. Set my pace. Night routine after waxing. Used fragrance-free lotion. Drank lots of water. Avoided tight leggings. Watched Netflix and chilled. Day 2 update. No bumps or irritation. Skin still smooth. No ingrown hairs yet. Decided to stick with waxing. Cost breakdown. Kit was $35 CAD. Enough wax for 6+ sessions. Each session under 6. Major savings versus $80 spa trips. Quick tip for you start with underarms. Invest in a good mirror. High pressure after pulling. Hydrate and rest after. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another real, raw self-care story.